Okay, I have my square for my lid. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the foot for my lid. And what the foot is it's like a little square on the inside of the lid that's gonna sit inside your box. Okay, so like, what are my example pieces? So like, so if you guys see here with this box, when I lift the top off, okay, this lid, this is like, it's called a gallery, okay? And what that does is it, like, the lid sits in there and it helps it not wiggle around, okay? So it just kind of like locks the lid in, all right? So you guys should be able to measure. You're gonna have your walls of your box. Let me see, Connor, can I borrow your box for a minute? Just to help me measure. Thank you. Perfect. Okay. So to decide where my gallery is going to be, okay, I have my box for my lid. Okay. It fits. Okay. So to measure my gallery, I have to measure the top. I got water everywhere. I have to measure how far in I'm going to have to put that wall. So how I do that is I'm going to use my needle tool, and I'm going to measure with my needle tool the outside to the inside. Okay, so I want the tip of my needle tool. You guys can kind of see, hello, go down. I'm going to measure that's the inside of my pot right there. So then from the wall, I'm now going to measure on my piece right there. So I know that right here, that is the inside of that wall. I'm going to do it for the next one. I'm just using my needle tool to measure. I think it's going to be here. Okay. And then here. What's up? Okay. So I have these little marks on the inside of my thing, and that's going to tell me where the inside, the gallery has to sit on the inside opening. Okay. And the way you're going to make your gallery is just by rolling a coil of clay. So to roll a coil, you can do it on a flat surface. Roll just with your fingertips. It doesn't have to be crazy thick. Okay. But you're going to slip and score this coil on the inside of where those markings are. Okay. So I'm going to make my coil. I'm going to measure. Okay. And I'm going to slip and score. Score. You need to make sure you slip and score this together, or else it will fall off. Score, score, score. My water's all over the place. Slip. Okay. And then I'm going to place that coil right there. And you can blend it with, I have tools over here. I have like little rubber tip tools. Okay, so I have like little rubber tipped tools that you can use to kind of get in the crease. Okay, to make sure that it's nice and attached. But you really want to blend this in on both sides. Okay, and now you can adjust the shape a little bit. So I'm like kind of making it flatter over here. So it's gonna be nice and clean. Make this side nice and clean. But you're gonna do all four sides, and it's gonna make like a little square on the inside. So when I go to fit this in the box, it should rest right on the inside lip of my box. So it should rest right on the inside. Okay? And then you're going to do that on all 4 sides. And you really want to make sure that that lid is secure in there, so that if I like shake it back and forth, the lid's not going anywhere. Okay? That's how you're going to do your lid. Once your lid is made, you guys will be able to start to do the decoration on the outside. And as far as decoration on the outside, you can take your thumbnail sketch, those drawings, and you can just lay them right on top of your piece. So let's say I have my drawing on here. Come on, Sharpie. Okay, so on my sides, if I have my design, okay, I can take my needle tool and I can make like little holes and just kind of punch little tiny holes. Come on. Okay, so now I have like a little dotted line idea of what's on for my design. Okay, so that's gonna be how you can get your design from your paper onto your sides. Okay, if you have a more detailed design, I can give you a different way of doing it. But for the most part, the dotted line with the needle tool should work for you guys. Just make sure that you go in and you attach, and don't just have like dots on your thing. Like now this is just your guide, and then you're going to start to decorate. Okay, so finishing assembling the walls, we're making our lid, and then if you didn't finish your drawing for your box, finish it and submit it. I only have like 6 submitted of the 24 of you, so I'm missing a lot. And then once you have that submitted, then you can start to do your decoration on the sides. Okay, and then group 2 is going to start tomorrow for throwing, and they're going to throw on tomorrow and Thursday. Group 3 is going to be Friday, Monday. Group 4 is going to be Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay? Questions? All right, guys. Thank you.